Bola di dyan, bola. Takong di dyan, takong. Pangganana.
Kalding.
Karnero. Pataw.
Welcome to Maluanes Animal Encounter Show, where you meet animals around the world. As we tell you more information about them and be unique personality. Pero before we start, hello po po pala sa mga guests namin sa ating Ryan Ambassador, Dr. Yuhan Richard and Ma'am Rosita Richard. Welcome po sa Maluanes. So before we start, second, avoid unnecessary movements and noises. Please on your seats. So, let's start. Kailangan ko po ng isang volunteer for first animal comment, sir. Yes, sir. Please come forwards. Okay, so what's your name? Shirley. And where are you from? Sorsogon City. Sorsogon City. Hello po. Okay, so first time mo ito, sir? Pangilan na to, sir?
Siguro mga 20s.
Okay, pero bilang volunteer, first time?
Yes.
And anong pakiramdam?
Chill lang.
Chill lang. Okay, so in order for you to meet our first animal friend, our canopy acrobats, the sugar glider. Sugar glider refers to the sugary food that they eat. And they have a gliding membrane that is stretched to the skin between the arms and legs to keep them stable while gliding. And guys, look at its tail. It is almost half of their body. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause. Okay. Are you ready? Yes. Okay po. Dalawang kamay. Tingin sa harap. From Central and South America, here sila ang iguana. So guys, there are two known species of iguana around the world. The first is the Galapagos marine iguana o ang tinatawag na swimming lizard. But what we're here is the green iguana. Okay, ma'am, welcome to Maluanes Zoo, and what's your name?
Edita Sirilla from Sorsogon City.
Sorsogon Bicol. Okay, ma'am Edita, stretch mo po yung arm mo like this. Gloves pa lang po yan, ma'am. Okay.
Yakan mo ha, gloves mo.
So, ready ka na po sa ating ostrich, ma'am? Okay. Charot Alicia. Pop, the medium-sized raptor, aka the crested serpent eagle. They are reptile eaters as they hunt lizards and snakes. And when they rest on one chest, they are commonly mistaken as owls because of the large, googly eyes. Okay, everyone, a round of applause. Pinapakilala ko po ang mga uri ng parrot. Gulat kayo nung kala nyo sleep. Okay guys, unahin po natin yung nasa gilid. Siya po ay si Bridget, the Blue Gold Macau. At ito naman pong nasa gitna ay si Palbu, and this is Ibarra. Sila po ay parehong white umbrella. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, so panulit natin silang mag-white, guys. Okay, ngayon po ang team Alicia. Habol pa, Alex.
Bike ball.
So si Alicia po ay nag-shoot na landing. Nakapunta na po sa pangatlong obstacle. While si Alex ay nag-shoot pa rin po ng kanyang wings. Pwede ba mamabol, Alex? Oh, hindi na pa tapos yan. Okay.
Nahihiramin na.
Sa pangapat na po na obstacle si Alicia ay tapos na po siya. While si Alex ay nag-trash pa rin po ng kanyang garbage. Okay. And nag-shoot ka na ng wings mo,
Basketball pa eh.
Alex. Okay, very good. Last one. Okay, palakpakan naman po natin guys si Alicia. Parrot or the rosary parakeets. A medium-sized parrot is the genus Psittacula of the family Psittaceae. So let's start. In 3, 2, 1, go Sky! Wait lang po. Okay. Let's do it again. In 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, you can do it. Wait lang guys, nagpapalaping pa po. Kung ayaw ko daw ng 100 sky, ano ba? Go na! Sky, go get the money. Ikaw pa. Sige na guys, Sky, go get the money. Okay, go back to your attic. Very good, Sky, and for the second time. Go, Sky. Get the money. Balik sa iyong answer. Okay, for the last time. Last mo, ma'am. Ayan. Okay. With the money, go back to your answer. Okay, palakpakan naman po natin, guys. Yan pa lang. Dito ka, ma'am, sa tabi ko. Tingin ko sa harap. And are you ready? Yes. Okay. The smallest. Python in the realms. And it can only be found in Africa. Meet the ball python, aka the royal or the crown python. So guys, tinawag po silang crown python because they use as pets for royalties and ancient Egyptians. At meron po sila na kayang mag-curl like a bowl as a defense mechanism to the predator. Okay, so everyone, ang mga pythons po ay non-venomous creatures din. Okay? Palakpakan naman po natin. Thank you so much po, ma'am. Sir, alam mo po yung ocho-ocho. Joke lang po, joke lang. Okay, sir. Are you ready?
Ready.
Ready. Okay, now, the largest of the zebra cat family, our very own, proud to say, this is a native of the Philippines. Now, meet Bindi, the Palawan bear cat, aka Pintorong. So they call them bear because they can stand up perfectly with its two hind feet. And cats because they have whiskers like cats. At alam niyo po ba na ang amoy nila ay amoy popcorn or the distinct scent of pansan. So bilang patungan, pakiamoy nga po sir ang ating Palawan bear cat. Ano nga mo sir? Mabango. Okay, everyone, a round of applause. Wow. Ma'am, yes, ma'am, is good now. Are you ready? I think so. Okay, just look at the oceans. And relax.
Relax lang.
The last, but not the least. The second. One of the meanest animal infatuated and it requires a regular contact to keep them safe. Ladies and gentlemen, it's albino Burmese python. Now one fascinating thing about python is their polarized side. So how can they see? They're pretty. Underneath they jaw there was a hole called pits. And the frog-like tongue is a combination of animals, no matter how big or small, has the right to live free from hunger, thirst, or even in danger, where humans have to play the biggest role. So please, do your part. Help us protect and conserve our environment. In the after chat, the Baluardes staff and to our wonderful animal friends. We do hope that you enjoy this simple presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, maraming salamat po. See you around the